Okay guys, let's continue here. Today we will learn about trading. We will go to trading, but before trading, I want to show you something that I didn't show you on the last video. By the way, if you are new on this video and you haven't seen the last videos that we have uploaded, this is just the fourth part of those videos. You need to see them before this one. So guys, let's go to tournaments. On tournaments, we can see different tournaments every week, every day they upload tournaments. You can also participate, take part of this tournament for free here. But this is a very good part of Iqoption. For example, this one that is paying, you have to pay $2 to take part of this tournament. And you can see here the conditions, the prize pool, participants, the rebuy cost, numbers of rebuys, instrument, binary, and also the leaderboard. So you have the potential to win $300 if you reach one of these positions, one of the first 5 positions. Okay, I think it's very good, this option. With this option, so the winners are those people, those traders who get more volume. Okay, here you can read the condition. A trader is provided with a special 100 tournament account. They give you a tournament account with $100 in it as initial conditions for everyone. The leaderboard shows how much money each participant has in their tournament account in descending order. The tournament prize is credited to your real account in the form of real funds. 50% of your entry fees, of this $2, is transferred to the prize pool. As simple as that. I think it's a very good option to start trading without investing a lot of money. You have a lot of options here to take part of one of these tournaments. One last thing, okay, I already told you about alerts. You can create any alert, and you can also see the history of alerts that you have created. Okay guys, let's start trading. Guys, as I told you on the first part of this video tutorial, the first thing that we can see here is a chart, a candlestick chart. Every bar, every color bar of this chart is called candlestick. Okay, candlestick. So those candlestick, each one represents a time. In this case, we are seeing 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. It means that every candle represents 1 minute. And this one that is forming right now represents 1 minute. So if we enter an investment here of $1, we don't know what is going to happen. What is going to happen? Let me ask you that question. We don't know because we don't see the future. Now what we need to do is to analyze the market condition. We need to analyze if on this price is a good moment to sell option. Is it a good moment to sell option? How can we know that? Can you see something here? We lost one trade. So whenever we lose everything that we invest. If we invest $10, we have the potential profit of 87%, which is 8.7. However, we also have the potential loss of the 10, the total amount that we invest. That just happened here. So in order for us to understand how to win on this kind of business, we need to apply some strategy, some trading strategy. That's what we are going to do today. We are going to apply a simple strategy with an indicator to understand how this works. Because we cannot make investment or trade randomly. No, it's a mistake. This is not gambling. We are not gambling here. We are investing money. So we need to control our risk and apply a trading strategy. Okay, today we will get a popular indicator which is called Bollinger Bands. We already use it, but today I will teach you how to use it and how you can start trading and practicing on this demo account. Okay, we will leave this indicator with this default setting. Okay, don't worry, don't change everything. So whenever the price touch this line, we will make an entry. Okay, we will make a call option. We will buy an option whenever the price touch this line, this yellow line. And whenever the price touch the upper line, this red line, we will entry a put option. We will sell an option here. Okay, and we will use a time frame, an expiration time of 1 minute. Remaining time is 1 minute. Okay, we just have to choose it and wait for our entry. I will pause the video to wait the entry and explain to you something more. Okay guys, here we are. We can see here that the price is almost touching this line. So we need to wait. We need to wait until the price touch this line. Once the line is touched, we can make an entry, a call option, and it will work as simple as that. Okay, here we go. Remember, this candlestick represents 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Once this candlestick closes, it means that it has been 1 minute since the opening. Okay, it's touching. Okay, but we need to wait the candle to close, and it's missing 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and let's go for the call option, guys. Okay guys, as simple as that. This is a trading strategy. We base our investment in a trading strategy that is based on this indicator. This is how it works. We cannot gamble. Okay? Now, something else that I want to show you, besides this, besides trading strategy, you need to have a money management strategy that I will show you later on. Okay, let's just wait until this trade close, because it's missing 10 seconds. Everything can happen on the market in that moment. Okay, and we won our investment, so we won 8.7 because this pair was offering this profit 87%, and that's what we want. So that money, that profit, we already have it here. Okay, instantaneously we can see here on our practice account balance. So something else I want to show you is that we need to have an investment strategy. Okay, this is in another language, which is Spanish. This is one of my native language. But later on, I will explain to you, and I will also let you this management system below this video, below one of this video, okay, on the description of this video. But the idea is that for every trade, every investment that we make, we need to register on our file. We need to register every day that we make an investment, every day that we make a trade. We need to register them, all of them. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. If you like the tutorial, if you like this video, stay there, subscribe to this channel, and comment it, please. Let me know on the comment section, and remember, on the description of this video I will leave you some articles that are very important about trading. And keep watching all my videos and you will find a very good strategy, trading strategy, to earn money with these binary options. Okay, that's it.